How to clean a jetted tub. A jetted tub is a luxurious addition to any bathroom, but if it isn't cleaned regularly, it can quickly turn into a nightmare. Over time, jetted tubs can build up with bacteria, mold, and other debris as stagnant water gets trapped in the pipes. While it may seem difficult to deep clean all of the nooks and crannies of a jetted tub, it is doable. With a few common household supplies, your jetted tub will be returned to its former glory, and you'll be back to enjoying relaxing baths in no time. In this video, we'll walk through the best processes for cleaning and maintaining a jetted tub for long-term, clean comfort. Keep watching to learn more about deep cleaning your jetted tub, including stain removal, and follow our favorite maintenance tips to help simplify the process. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to cleaning water jets with household supplies and cleaning with a biofilm remover. Now let's get started. Things you'll need. 1. 2 U.S. tablespoon, 30 milliliters, of dishwashing liquid or 4 tablespoons, 56.7 g, of powdered dish detergent. 2. Half a cup, 120 milliliters of white vinegar or bleach. 3. Biofilm remover. 4. Clean rags. 5. Toothbrush. Method 1. Cleaning water jets with household supplies. Number 1. Fill the tub with hot water to 2 to 3 in, 5.1 to 7.6 cm, above the highest jets. Turn the hot water on and let it fill the tub. Turn it off when the jets are covered by 2 to 3 in, 5.1 to 7.6 centimeters, of water. Clean your jetted tub every 1 to 3 months if you use your tub daily or several times a week. Clean it at least once every 6 months if you only use it a few times a month. Number 2. Turn off the air induction valves by turning them fully clockwise. This forces the water to circulate only in the internal plumbing of the tub to concentrate the flow and clean deeper. Leave them open if the manufacturer of your tub states to do so in the owner's manual. Always refer to manufacturer's instructions for cleaning your specific model of tub. Number 3. Add 2 tablespoon, 30 milliliters, of dishwashing liquid to the water. Use a low-foaming dishwashing liquid so you don't overflow the tub with bubbles. Use 4 tablespoons, 56.7 g, of powdered dish detergent if you don't have liquid detergent. The detergent will loosen greasy residue left behind in the jets by soap or bubble bath liquid. Number 4. Pour half a cup, 120 milliliters, of white vinegar or bleach into the tub. Choose vinegar for a more eco-friendly option. Use bleach if there is any mold present in the jets. Only use one or the other and do not mix them. Both vinegar and bleach serve to disinfect during the cleaning. Number 5. Run the jets at full capacity for 10 to 15 minutes. Set the jets to the highest pressure and turn them on to clean them out. You will see any gunk caught in the jets coming out into the water. If there is still grime coming out of the jets after 15 minutes, then keep the jets on until it looks like no more dirt is coming out of them. Number 6. Drain the tub and refill it with cold water. Fill the tub up to 2 to 3 in, 5.1 to 7.6 centimeters, above the jets again, but with cold water this time. Cold water is fine for the second cycle because you are just going to give the jets a final rinse. Don't add any cleaning products to the water this time. You just want clean, cold water for rinsing. Number 7. Run the jets for another 10 minutes on high power. This will remove all the last bits of residue that you loosened with the detergent and hot water. Make sure no more gunk is shooting into the water before you turn the jets off. Let the tub run for another 5 minutes if it looks like the jets are still blasting out last bits of dirt. Number 8. Drain the tub and wipe it clean. Let all of the dirty water drain out of the tub. Use a clean rag to wipe away any residue that is left on the surface of the tub. You can use an old toothbrush to get into the crevices of the jets if there is anything lodged in them still after cleaning. Wipe them clean and rinse away the debris after doing so. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Cleaning with a biofilm remover. Number 1. Get a biofilm removal liquid and read the instructions on the container. Purchase a biofilm removal liquid at a store that sells jacuzzi and hot tub cleaning supplies, or online. Biofilm removal liquids are designed specifically to clean away all the gunk that accumulates inside the plumbing of a jetted tub. Biofilm is a natural film that is created by the buildup of bacteria, mold, mildew, and other biological materials. Cleaning your jetted tub with biofilm removal liquid is a method of cleaning to be used on its own, instead of cleaning your jetted tub with detergent and vinegar or bleach. You can use either method to regularly clean your tub effectively. Number 2. Fill the tub with hot water 2 to 3 in, 5.1 to 7.6 cm, above the jets. Turn the hot water on and let the tub fill until there is about 2 to 3 in, 5.1 to 7.6 centimeters, of water above the jets. Turn off the water so the tub doesn't fill anymore. It's important that the jets are completely covered with water so that, when you turn them on, the motor doesn't get damaged and so they don't spray water up into the air. Number 3. Add the specified amount of biofilm remover to the water and turn the jets on. Pour in an amount of the cleaning liquid specified by the product's instructions. Turn the jets on at their highest power to start circulating the cleaner. The biofilm cleaner's instructions may specify different amounts depending on if it is a regular cleaning or the first cleaning in a while. Number 4. Alternate running the jets and letting the tub sit in 30-minute intervals. Always refer to the biofilm remover's instructions for any additional steps. Turn the jets on for 30 minutes, then turn them off and let the tub sit for 30 minutes, then turn the jets back on for another 30 minutes before you drain it to clean out the plumbing thoroughly. You can drain the tub and repeat this process if you want to give it an extra good cleaning. Number 5. Drain your tub and clean any residue around the sides. Use a clean rag or sponge to wipe away any gunk left on the surface after you drain it. Use a toothbrush or other small brush to clean away anything that is stuck in or around the jets. You can repeat the cleaning process another time before you rinse the tub if it still looks dirty or if you want to be extra sure you got everything out of the internal plumbing. Number 6. Refill the tub with cold water and run the jets for 10 to 15 minutes. This will rinse out the last of the gunk from the plumbing and rinse away any remaining biofilm remover. Drain the tub after 10 to 15 minutes and give it a final wipe with a clean rag. Some manufacturers recommend doing this rinsing process after each use of the jetted tub to help get rid of soap scum, oils, dead skin, and other gunk that builds up after each use. Keep your jetted tub clean by repeating this whole cleaning process approximately every 5 uses, regardless of how often you use it. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Maintenance tips. 1. Don't let moisture sit along the caulk lines. Ideally, water should drain away from your tub's outer edges. But if water collects anyway, pat it dry to discourage mold and bacterial growth. 2. Flush the tub between cleaning sessions. Flushing water through the jets can help purge mold and buildup. 3. If the jets are removable, pull them out of the tub and clean them inside and out. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for handling the jets, as every tub is different. 4. Once you have the jets cleaned, a routine monthly cleaning will keep them in top shape. 5. Avoid bath oils and bubble baths that leave residue in the jets that can serve as food for mold and mildew. 6. Never use an abrasive cleaner on the tub, which can leave minute scratches that capture soil and leave the finish looking dull. 7. Dull finishes can be restored by using an automotive wax recommended for plastics on the walls of the tub. Never wax the floor of the tub. That is a slip and fall hazard. Warnings. 1. Open doors and windows to ventilate the room as much as possible while using cleaning products. Bleach fumes can be dangerous in poorly ventilated areas. 2. Never use foaming cleaners or bubble bath in your tub. Bath oils and lotions leave residue in the pipes as well. You should avoid using them in a jetted tub. 3. Never start the jets unless they are covered by at least a few inches of water. If the jets are exposed, the motor will be damaged. If the jets are covered but the water is too shallow, they may spray water upwards, bathing your walls instead. 4. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions for specific cleaning instructions for your jetted tub. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.